Hi, welcome to the art room. If you haven't had the opportunity to check it out, we are fortunate to have one of the best spaces here in Sandburg. We have a huge room with lots of space for the students to be creating. I'm Mr. Walker. I teach art here to all 6th, 7th, and 8th graders. Our 6th graders are on a 5-week rotation. During that 5-week rotation, they are working on drawing skills, learning basic proportions, perspective, and then 3D form and some basic construction skills, how to use a ruler, X-Acto knives, and other tools, as well as how to design a 3-dimensional art piece. In 7th grade, the students are learning about values, tints, shades, and color theory. They also learn how to do a still life during that time. They are also on a 5-week rotation. 8th grade is a semester-long class where they are building their own character and designing it using a multiple of mediums throughout this semester. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm John Gaunt, and I teach music here at Sandburg. I teach 7th and 8th grade choir, 6th grade choir, 6th grade, 7th grade general music, and 8th grade guitar class. So choirs meet in the auditorium and here in the music room on the 2nd floor, room 205. The general music classes meet in this room as well as the 8th grade guitar class. So this year we just got in a whole new collection of African drums that we've been using in our 6th grade and 7th grade general music classes. It's been a lot of fun. We've been using drum circles as a way to learn all about rhythm and culture from other countries. Here on the wall behind me, I have all these acoustic guitars that we use in 8th grade guitar class, and we have some electric guitars and amps as well. And in choir, we have the risers down on the stage, pianos, and we do all kinds of singing. We have a lot of great opportunities for students to be creative here at Sandburg. That's the name of the game in our arts classes. Be creative, express yourself, and be who you are. Thank you, and come in and visit sometime.
Hi, welcome to Industrial Technology. I'm Andrew Lim, the instructor. We're located in room 19 and 23. As you can see behind me, this is the CAD lab. We'll be using all these computers to work on drafting and designing projects, and then from there, let's take a walk by the 3D printers that we'll be using. Currently one is running. Students will get to use these from their AutoCAD drawings and 3D model their components. As I flip you around, we'll make our way into room 23. This is the shop, the lab, Woods Lab, Metals Lab. In all grade levels, we will work in here on our projects. And here are a few examples of the course's projects. These are 6th grades. Here's a desk plate with some 3D printed objects. 7th grade utilizes metalworking, and 8th grade, which concentrates in woodworking. Thank you. Have a good night.
Hello and welcome to Creative Tech. I'm Jen Leban and I teach Creative Tech in 6th grade, 7th grade, and 8th grade. 6th and 7th grade will have Creative Tech for 7.5 weeks as part of the UA wheel rotation, and 8th graders get a whole half a year if they choose my class. Let's take a quick tour of the room because you're going to see me in the auditorium and you can't see this stuff. So this is my room and I'll spin in a circle. There's a lot of things going on. This year I'm doing a lot of flexible seating, trying to implement more choice and new technologies. I always like to try new stuff and just try to keep the class really entertaining for the students. We touch a little bit on coding and inventing, but a lot of Google apps and just practical uses for technology. So visit my website if you want more information, send me an email or follow me on social media.
Hi, my name is Lynn Provost. I'm the Family Consumer Science teacher here at Sandburg Middle School. I teach 6th and 8th grade cooking and nutrition classes. This is my cooking lab. I'll spin you around. You can see that we have 6 different kitchens. Students cook together, they work in a lab group, we do a lot of teamwork building skills, and they clean up so your students know how to wash dishes, fold towels, cook and bake. We really emphasize kitchen safety, sanitation, and food allergies. This is the 7th grade sewing lab where 7th grade boys and girls learn how to sew. We do hand sewing and work on the electric sewing machines, as well as embroidery and all kinds of fun crafts. Students really love this class, and I look forward to seeing your students soon.
Hi, I'm Nora Almari.
I'm Tom Walker.
I'm Ed O'Connor. Together we are the teachers of Project Lead the Way here at Sandburg. Tom and I are working on design and modeling, which is a brief introduction to engineering principles of drawing and then building projects in a timely manner.
I am teaching computer science for innovators and makers, which is programming using coding and JavaScript and then creating various security projects.
Project Lead the Way is a new and exciting program to all the students where they are working in teams to solve real-world life problems, and we are teaching them the problem-solving skills along the way, regardless of which module they are in. They will love it.